Hello and welcome to another unboxing series on the Agni_99 channel. Today we will be unboxing the Licheers LC 301. I hope I got that right. It's a multifunctional tire inflator or compressor, and I believe that every motorbikes or cars should be equipped with a air compressor for the critical moment when you find yourself in a quandary where your tires are lacking enough tire pressure. Okay, the LC301 costs about 85 ringgit, Malaysian ringgit. The box comes with the following items. First and foremost is the portable air compressor itself. It looks slightly cylindrical, easy to hold. I'll go through the features in a while. It then has the connecting tube to be connected from the portable inflator to the tires. It then has got a 2.8 meter long cord that could easily reach all tires of a standard sedan as well as an SUV. It also has some additional nozzles that you could use on your bicycles and football or basketball. It comes with a spare fuse, and lastly but not least is the user manual. And fortunately the user manual is in both English as well as in Chinese. Okay, let's look at the compressor itself, the portable compressor. As you can see here, since it's not connected, therefore you cannot see the display view here. We will do a demonstration later in a bit. This here, the buttons available on the portable inflator or compressor. The first one is a start button, and this is followed by the plus, a button with a plus sign. Then you have the minus sign, and then you have the button that changes the mode or selects the various mode that you require of the inflator. This here is where we connect the tube that actually is fitted from the compressor to the tire. As such, and this end goes onto the tire, and this part here is where you actually connect the power cord. This end of course goes into your cigarette lighter, and this one here is then connected to the bottom of the portable compressor, and it's then ready to be used. There are 4 pressure units that you can choose from in this portable inflator, i.e. you can either choose the PSI, or you can choose the bar, or the kPa or kilogram per centimeter square. So these are the 4 units available, and it also has another feature, a preset feature, where when you press this button here, there are basically 4 modes. First is a car, second is the motorcycle, third is a bicycle, and fourth is balls, i.e. for football or basketball and whatever, volleyball and whatever. Basically what it means is that it is pre-selected, is predetermined pressures. So for example, by default, when you select car, it comes with 35.5 psi or 2.5 kg per cm squared. For the motorcycle, it comes with 31.3 psi or 2.2 kilogram per cm squared, while the bicycle is at 30 psi or 2.1 kg, and the ball is standard at 8.5 psi or 0.6 kgs or kilogram. Right, that's about all that about the unboxing. We will now proceed to actually do a demonstration on how to use the device. Okay, now I will demonstrate how to use the LC301 portable inflator. We'll have to connect the power cord to the cigarette lighter in the car as such, and you see that the display panel has lighted up, and I mentioned before, this here is start button and this here is a mode selector. Right now you see it's selected at car. You press it one more time, it goes to motorcycle. You press it one more time, it goes to the bicycle, and one more time it shows you a ball. Right, since we're going to start on the car, I'll go back to the car. The unit of pressure is at kilogram per cubic centimeter per square centimeter. I prefer to use the PSI, so I will convert this to PSI or change it to PSI by pressing this button here, or the start button. As you can see, it has now gone to PSI. And if I were to press again, it goes to bar, kPa, back to kilogram. So I'll go back to PSI. Right, and my tire pressure for the car that I'm going to inflate is 32. I can actually start by adjusting here to 32 like such and start pumping, or I can go to the car and then decrease the default 35 psi to 32. Right, let's go and inflate the tire. Right, let's take off this. Connect the as I mentioned, you can also use this the LC301 to actually check your tire pressure, and right now it shows that it's at 29 psi. Right, we will now start inflating by pressing the start button here. As you can see that the LC301 automatically stopped once it has reached the 32 psi. This is one added advantage of this inflator. That wraps up our unboxing as well as the demonstration. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you till the next unboxing.